The TikTok affiliate program is a goldmine. My name is Trevin Peterson. I've done over $1 million in GMV. And in today's video, I want to show you how you can film more content while doing less. I film an average of 300 videos per month while working literally 5 minutes a day. Now you might think that that is bull crap and that's all cap, but I'm going to show you my exact process on how I'm able to film as many videos as I'm uploading while not taking hours and hours of my day. So here we are in my home office. It's a disaster, but it's kind of set up to be a disaster. So we have drinks, we have TikTok products basically all over the place with mounts, with hats, with lights, with everything. And I intentionally have it because as soon as I sit down to work at my computer, I film a quick few videos. So I take this Bucked Up. This stuff is insane. I've made thousands, tens of thousands of dollars on this product. It's a protein soda. I sit down, I drink it, and as I'm working, I just take literally 2 minutes out of my day to film a quick video. And I talk about the protein soda. It's got 25 grams of protein, 100 calories, 0 sugar, no fat, no carbs, no caffeine. Click the link, get yours today. It's literally as simple as that. So I just film in the location that I'm currently working at. So again, right before I sit down, I film the videos. We've got some boom boom sticks and I do that. So I'm able to bust out a ton of videos inside my office super easily. So now we're gonna go to my basement, which we're in my basement right now. And I wanna show you guys what we got right here. So this is the next kind of thing that you guys are gonna wanna do is the products that you are reviewing, you want to tailor it to your life. So I have a boy, he's obsessed with golf. He's an adventure fanatic. He loves to jump on the tramp. He loves doing things. So this is a TikTok product. This is a TikTok product. This is a TikTok product. The golf clubs are a TikTok product. This is a TikTok product. And so literally all I do is I come down, I play with my boy, and we film content. He's obsessed with it. He loves golfing. He loves jumping on the tramp. He loves going down the slide. So all I need to do is while we're playing, and again, I'm spending good quality time with him. I pull out my phone, I make a quick video and I'm like, hey, check this out. This golf product right here is an absolute must. It's on sale. My boy loves it. Watch him swing. As you can see, he's swinging. Click the link and get yours today. It's literally that simple. So I can bust out 5 videos in less than 5 minutes. And the videos that I'm doing, again, they're off the cuff. And for me to keep all my videos super simple, unedited, unscripted, I have what's called the GRAB viral formula. It's an acronym that I created. The G of GRAB stands for grab attention. You have the first 3 seconds to suck them into your video. If not, if you don't have a good hook, then they're scrolling. People's attention spans are like a goldfish. The R stands for rush the tempo. You can't have the ums, the buts, and the run. You gotta be super quick. You gotta be animated. You gotta be excited, or else they're just going to be bored and they're gonna scroll on past. So rush the tempo, cut the fluff. Stop talking about things that are irrelevant and not important. And then the A stands for act it out. So show, don't tell. As you can see, we have all my products. I'm showing you, I'm using them. You have to demonstrate the product. I have a lot of people that will sit here and be like, this is a really cool ball and just super boring. No, act it out, juggle, do something with it. Check this out. Look how cool this product is. You get their attention. You guys get the point. And then the last one, the B stands for bait the click. You have to have a call to action. So in all my videos, I say, hey, they're running a flash sale. Click the link and get yours today. Or it's the best price I've ever seen. Make sure to take action and get yours today. Or hey, they're running out of stock, or the discount ends in whenever. It can be a subtle or a strong call to action at the very end to get them to actually want the product. So this is the basement setup. Yes, it's a mess, but my son and I have a fun time. Shout out to the wife who is filming this video right now. We're gonna come to the next area of the house. And again, I have my house set up strategically to make filming as easy and as seamless as possible. Again, I'm uploading like 300 videos a month while working less than like 5 minutes a day. The next space, my gym. Inside my gym, I have products. Look, I have a tripod set up. I have a tripod in almost every single room of my house for the sake of filming TikTok videos. And again, the tripod I get for free because you request a sample and you get it. But we've got products like this push-up board. So when I come and I work out, I try to work out every single day. And so when I'm in my gym, what do? While I'm working out, I film a quick video and I show me actually demonstrating, acting it out. I'm in the perfect scenario to talk about the product. So all the different products that I have, I mean, a lot of these are all TikTok products. This one is this. I have a pull-up thing that I have. I'm trying to think, where did the other stuff go? Oh, the weighted vests. But anyways, all of these products I have set up strategically so it's super easy for me to film. So we have my office, I sit down, I film the products there. When I'm playing with my boy, I film the products there. When I'm at my gym, I film products. So I'm filming videos during times that I'm going to be doing something, and I just take, again, 2 to 3 to 5 minutes out of that time during a set. While I'm working out, I film a video. So it's super easy. Now we're gonna go upstairs and we'll show you guys a few last places. Jesus, baby. Okay, so here we are in my kitchen. This is a disaster as well. I'm just giving you guys an insight of my life. It doesn't look like a disaster until you open it up, but these are all my supplements, protein powders, creatine that I take on a daily basis. Since I take it on a daily basis, when I take creatine, I talk about these creatine gummies. It's just natural for me to, if I'm already consuming this product, to grab my phone and make a video about it. We've got more creatine. We've got, this is one of my favorites. It's a hydration plus immunity mix. So I come right here. I have the setup. I have my Jarritos. I call it Jarritos. It's Jarritos guava. And I talk about the two. And if I'm going to already be mixing this drink, which I love, I can literally just come right here and I can film a quick video. I mean, I could show you guys example after example. We'll come over here to my wonderful pantry. Look at this. All of these are protein bars, all of which I got on the TikTok shop for free. And I like my protein. And so when I eat a protein bar, I film a video. It's as simple as that. And if we come over to my, I won't show you guys, this is a disaster. My wife doesn't want me to show you. But in our medicine cabinet where we have like our supplements, our vitamins and whatnot, I have all of that in there. So when I take my vitamins, I can make a video. So a lot of the products that I'm requesting, I'm strategically requesting because I use them on a day-to-day basis, and it makes it super easy for me to film content. Another great one right here, Spilt. I've made probably at this point, $20,000 off of this product. It's milk in a can that's caffeinated, and it tastes unbelievable. And so when I drink it, I make a video. The same thing with Bucked Up. It's a protein soda. When I drink it, I make a video. It's as simple as that. And so that is the strategy, is set up your house in a way that makes it as frictionless as possible for you to film your content. And once you do that, and if you have a good strategy down, you use the Grab Viral formula. I'll throw up a screenshot of it. If you follow that formula, you have the product set up strategically in the place that you need. It's gonna be very easy for you to film a ton of content. Now jumping into the last step of how I'm so productive and efficient with my video output, I obviously showed you guys all the different setups. It makes it super easy to film content. The next phase is the editing and the uploading, and this is where a lot of people go wrong and they overcomplicate it and just make it way more difficult and way more time consuming than it needs to be. So the first part to this is if you can make content in one go without having any cuts, and you don't mess up and you don't have the fluff that I'm talking about, and you just have a good system, editing and uploading shouldn't take you more than 2 minutes of video. It is so easy to just go upload it, trim the front and the back, throw on captions, have an easy description, and then also tag the product. And you just add them to your drafts and you just rinse and rinse and rinse and repeat. And you can do this by yourself. What I've also done myself, and this is where legitimately, probably don't believe me that I'm able to upload 300 videos in less than 5 minutes of work every single day, but that's just the truth. And it's because I have a social media assistant who is uploading my videos, who's editing my videos, who's tagging my products, who's literally doing everything for me. And so once you get to a certain point where you are doing it all yourself and you're making enough, you can hire somebody to replace and do the things that you don't want to do or that you don't have to do. And so for me, I don't have to edit. I don't have to upload. I don't have to post. I have somebody doing that for me. And all I need to do is film the videos. Then once I film the videos, I upload them to a drive, and then she'll go in, download them, and upload them. Edit them, post them, everything. I don't have to do it. So it makes it super easy, super scalable. And I just wanted to give you kind of a behind the scenes look of what I'm doing inside my affiliate business that is printing money basically on autopilot at this point. I don't really put much time and energy and focus into it because I have such a good system in place. Now, hiring an assistant is not for everyone, and it's definitely not for you if you are not making money yet. So you have to prove out the concept and be able to do it yourself first. And then once you do it yourself, then that's where you can hire somebody and train them to do exactly what you're doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. We also have a school group. It's the #1 Groupon school for TikTok affiliates and Amazon influencers. It's the most affordable price it's ever going to be, and the price is only going to increase, so make sure to join. You guys can click the link in the description. We have over 4,000 members. You get live calls, you get tons of modules, trainings, resources, everything that I have done and implemented into my 6-figure TikTok shop affiliate business. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.